Adaora Tia, an actor, runway model, writer, na no be voice of the East n'ụbọchị taa. Ka ihe chọrọ ịma maka ya, ṅaa ntị dịka anyị ga na-ajụ ya ajụjụ dị iche iche na mkparịta ụka anyị enwere n'ụbọchị taa. Nne daalụ, dịka nsi kwuo, ịbụ an actor, a writer, a runway model. Onwe ihe ndị ọzọ chọrọ ka ndị mmadụ mara gbasara gị?
Well, yes, I'm also an activist and a nonprofit director. I'm very passionate about merging our culture here in Enugu, in Nigeria, with the diaspora, with people in America, in Europe, all over the world.
Ka mgbe ezi ihe mara mma. Dịka isi kwuo na ị na-emekọta ihe a na-eme n'Enugu na nke a na-eme n'Amerika. Ịbụ onye toro n'Amerika. Enwere ike ịgwa anyị ka ka ndụ dị dịka ịbụ onye Igbo toro n'Amerika?
As an Igbo person, Igbo woman raised in the States, I think it's very important for your parents to have a strong hand in teaching you Igbo. And not just the language, but the culture, the music, the food, our mannerisms. It's very different than other people, other blacks in America. And I have to give my mom the utmost respect and adoration for the way she raised my brother and I. Even though we were not brought up in the East or even in Nigeria, she instilled our heritage, our culture, our respect in both of us.
That means we have to give your mom the accolade of of making sure that you guys learned about the Igbo culture and tradition.
Yes.
Okay, can you tell us how was it learning the Igbo culture from her, like doing all those things over there?
It was second nature. Because we're Igbo and our parent is Igbo in the same house, the minute you walk in the door, you're walking into Enugu or Imo State or just anywhere in the Igbo land, you know. She's speaking Igbo to us. You walk in, you smell amazing food. We always followed the Catholic religion holidays. So it wasn't any different than from me growing up here. It wasn't any different. We were never forgotten that we are children of the red soil.
Dịka ndị gị kụziri gị nwe ihe ndị gbasara omenala anyị na ihe ndị Igbo, onwere gị nwa onwe gị onwego ihe mere iji nye aka ịkwado n'ichekwa omenala Igbo anyị?
Yes. So my mother started a nonprofit organization many years ago when my brother and I were children, and since then my brother and I have helped her in shipping goods to Nigeria. It's actually a motherless children's home. So we buy gifts, we buy toys, we buy clothes for the moms and the babies. So we make sure that we're taking care of people from our land as well. In addition to that, I'm a part of different organizations where we merge the two. We teach people in the States about their culture, their language. One of the organizations that I'm a part of, every Saturday we have Igbo classes. It's really a part of bridging the gap, you know, teaching the language, teaching how to cook the food, teaching about our cultures and everything about the East. That's the gap that we're trying to bridge.
That is absolutely fine, and we really appreciate your effort in trying to take our culture back there. And we have done a Voice of the East. Anyị na-eme ihe a na-akpọ campaign iji na-eme ka ndị mmadụ bata n'ala Igbo rụọ ma mepekwana ihe dị iche, ihe dịka industries, rụkwanụ ogodo tech facilities, kụziere ndị mmadụ ka anyị nwee ike na-ebuild ala Igbo anya. Ka ihe nwere ike ikwu gbasara ka ị sele ihe anyị na-eme anya?
Wow, I'm really excited about this initiative because I'm also in tech. I'm a project manager in a tech company. So bringing tech to the East, especially through Voice of the East, here in the state where I'm from, that's a big passion for me. So I would definitely recommend that people should come back to the East. People should come back to the state that you're from, especially if you're from Enugu States. And bring back productions like you guys are doing here. Movies can be shot here. Music videos can be shot here. I know you guys are also building a tech city and a tech hub.
Yes.
I'm just like beside myself about that because that's wild to me, and I'm excited to see the final products about it.
Thank you very much for what you have to say about us, and in your own voice, what do you have to tell us about, or what do you have to tell people about investing in Igbo?
Investment. It's very important to invest in Igbo. It's very important to invest in where you're from, because when you leave this land, you're going to somebody else's place. This is where we're from, this red soil. We have ownership of this land. So you go somewhere else and you build on somebody else's land, but you forget about your own place. It's not possible. You know, my brother and I, we came here, unfortunately for a sad purpose, but we've discussed about coming back and building something here, putting roots down here, building a house possibly. And me as an actor, writer, model, I definitely will have to come back to Enugu and do some more business here. Absolutely.
That's absolutely nice. I really appreciate that, because most people, they leave our land. Our land, they just leave it and go elsewhere to do one or two things, and we are all calling them to come back and invest in it. I would like to know, are there personal projects that you are working on that you would love your fans, your viewers, anybody to know, like
Absolutely.
anything personal?
Absolutely, absolutely. Actually, we just released a movie called Life After Marriage, where I'm starring next to Preach Bassi and Ademole, Happy Man. And the story is about a young woman that recently got married, and she's a celebrity and a superstar, but there's a clash between the work that she does and her husband. But I won't tell you guys anymore. I want you to go check it out. It's live right now on YouTube, Image Movie TVs on YouTube. Check the movie out and then let me know in the comments below what you think, who was in the wrong.
I hope you guys will go check it out, because we'll be watching. So, being someone that knows about the Igbo culture, like has also been promoting it, I would like to test your Igbo.
Okay.
What you know. So we'll be doing some riddles.
Okay.
Guam, guam, guam.
Okay.
Hey, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Guam, guam, guam.
Guam.
Guam ihe siri eze rachanto.
Ihe siri eze.
Eze kingo, not eze.
Oh, eze. Okay. Ube.
That's correct. Ka anyị gakwa ọzọ. Gwam gwam gwam. Gwam ihe kuru mmiri rie elu.
Kuru mmiri rie elu.
O kuru mmiri rie elu. Ihe kuru mmiri
To take water.
rie elu. Lifeline 50-50.
Oh, aki bekee.
Ị nwetere ya. Nke ikpeazụ anyị ga-ajụ gị. Gwam 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 nwa agbọghọ ara anọ. Nwa agbọghọ ara anọ.
Is it an age? Okay, lifeline.
Who are you calling?
Lifeline. Oh Lord. I don't know. Amamunka.
Ikwe.
Ikwe.
Yeah.
Ikwe.
Odo.
Odu. Okay.
Ikwe
We don't-
na Odo.
Sorry.
Ndị be anyị na-anụgonu anyị na Adaora Tia, onye na-ede akwụkwọ, a runway model, ọ na-emekwa ihe onyonyo. Ndị be anyị unu anụgonu anyị na Adaora Tia ekwuchago, dịka o si kwuo, o nwere ihe onyonyo nke ọ na-eme, Life After Marriage. Ọ dị na YouTube. Unu jee nye aka ịkwalite nwa agbọghọ na ihe onyonyo ya, jee kirie ya, nyere ya aka, kesasa ya ka ndị mmadụ mata maka ya. Ọ na-anụgonu ihe niile o kwesịrị ikwu gbasara to promote ala Igbo. I can ekwukwe maka ya. Let's promote ala Igbo. Daalụ nọ. Ude egwo n'ebe a n'ụbọchị taa.
Hello.
Thank you.